Hi, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing some quick swatches of the Kylie Blue Honey Palette. And this is what it looks like here, and let's just get right into it. Starting from the top, and I'm just going to go from left to right. Might be different in the camera, but you know what I mean. I'm going to start off with the shade Raw. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone. This is a matte shade here. I'm going to build that up a bit. Really pretty. If you're probably more of a medium, light to medium skin tone, you could use this as a base shade. Because of my skin tone, I can even use this as a transition. I think it's pretty. Next we have Buzz Off. And this is a really pretty shimmery shade here. Love that. It's very pigmented, very smooth like butter. I love that. Next we have Sweet Like Honey. I do have this on my eyes right now. And this is a really pretty matte mustardy orangey type shade. It's very unique. Really like this shade. Really good color payoff. Really good color payoff and pigment. Just really like that one. Next we have the shade called Bumble. I don't know if this is Bumble or Royal Jelly actually. Sorry, it's Raw. Yeah, this is Bumble. And this is a beautiful color. Oh, the shimmers in this palette are absolutely stunning. But look at that. I will get closer too and show you guys swatches more up close as well. Next we have the shade Blue Honey. And this is what the palette is named after. It is a matte blue. And that was it on first swatch. It's a really pretty shade. Really love how that looks. Use that on my eyes today as well. Same with this next shade, which is called Royal Jelly. I love how this color looks. And again, it's one of those beautiful... Oh, look at that. Oh, the shimmers in this palette are honestly, like, they're stunning. I really love, like, I have nothing bad to say about her matte shades. But her shimmers are, they're something. They're definitely something. Next I have Busy Bee. And this is a beautiful matte shade as well. And it's like, no, almost like an orangey brick, but brown. It's really super pretty. Love how that one is. Next we have Sweet Thing. And this is a shimmer. Let's see, I haven't even touched this one yet. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. And next we have Honeymoon. And this is the last shade. And this is the dark brown matte shade as well. That one swatched okay. Let's just see. Second swatch. So here's what the swatches look like next to the palette here. I'll keep my arm kind of still so you guys can see. I really like this palette. I have it on my eyes right now. I think this is a beautiful palette. It's one of my first Kylie purchases. I think the pigment and payoff is gorgeous. Like, oh, this gold, this is what I have on right now. I absolutely love it. And this color here, it's like really pretty. It's like, I don't know, like gold and taupe and champagne. I just love how that one is. And that one's called Buzz Off. Super pretty. I just love how this looks. I made a mess of my palette already. But yeah, those are the swatches. So far, I love this palette. I will do an in-depth review probably soon. Definitely check out this tutorial if you haven't yet. And I will also do another tutorial using this as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and please subscribe. Bye.